Hair volumizing powder, hair root lifting powder. Apply at the root on dry hair for instant lift. Spray on the hair for lightweight texture. Control. Fluffy or curly hair can be reshaped and restored. Easy to use, dust-it powder can make hair more plump and textured. Help hair plump. Suitable for any length of hair, you can use curling powder as a volume enhancer for both men's and women's hairstyles to increase the height of the hair. Curly powder has no smell or color, so use it for any hair color. After using this product, it can be molded immediately and keep the whole day. Convenient to carry. Hair volumizer hair powder is small and exquisite, easy to carry around. You can take care of your hair when you need it no matter when, before going out, on a business trip or on a date or more. When you don't have the time to wash your hair, dust-it powder as your shampoo. That will make your hair as clean as a wash in less than a minute. Mattifying boost powder is your first choice when you go out. From natural ingredients, strong holding force. The main material of hair root lifting powder is aqua, silica silylate, sodium benzoate. Non-toxic, harmless, colorless, tasteless, will not carry out any chemical reactions. New generation innovation, your first choices. Our company has more than 12 years of experience in the industry of hairdressing supplies, production experience well ahead of other brands. Professional hairdressing brand can reduce your worry, or be happy. We have a complete set of hair care products for the beauty salon population needs higher requirements. Hair lifting tips. After washing and blow drying your head, apply at the root on dry hair for instant lift. Spray on the hair for lightweight texture. Control. Fluffy or curly hair can be reshaped and restored. Hair volume powder hairstyle professional plastic best choice, strong oil control plastic, rich hairstyle layers. The hairstyle that rescues low hair, make stereo modeling. Top reviews from the United States. A little goes a long way. Works great but don't overdo it. A little sprinkle is all you need.